welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru once again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to share a sound. And without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. When you see somebody's creation on TikTok or somebody's video on TikTok, you find that particular sound mesmerizing. Maybe you're thinking that what if you could use the sound, or you might want to use the sound, or somebody's creating awesome videos on TikTok and you want them to use this particular sound. So now, in order to share the sound which you just watched on your video, let's go to TikTok and let's elaborate. When you have opened TikTok, you will land on this interface, either the following or the For You one. It's now currently I'm on the For You interface, and you can see all these videos. Now I like this sound. For the purpose of this video, I'll be elaborating the sound. You can see the music sound over here, and you just need to click it over there. After you have clicked this, you can use the sound for your own videos. You can see the original one, the sound has not been used very much, so you can use the sound. If you want to use the sound for yourself, just tap the button and use the sound, record a video, do lots with it. But no, if you only want to share this music to a friend or a family or a creator who are creating awesome content, then on the top right corner of your screen you can see the share button. Just tap there, and again you can share the sound by any means you want. If you want to send a TikToker directly, you can send it from these, and you can find more of your followers from the more option at the end of these TikTok or recommendation. After that, if you want to use other platforms such as messaging, Messenger, Facebook, WhatsApp, Viber, all these other options are also available. If you want to share the sound to the QR code, you can just hit the QR code. The QR code will be generated, and you can share this QR code to whomever you like or whomever you want to share the sound with. Okay guys, sharing a sound in TikTok is this easy. If you have any questions or comment regarding the topic, don't forget to comment, or don't hesitate to comment, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you guys, peace.